Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare.
We're kicking off the new year right. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. These are all the things you don't want to miss for January 2023 at the Dollar Tree, and the organizing items are insane.
We are breaking it down so you can walk into Dollar Tree with confidence. You're not going to want to miss this $1.25 item that blew my mind.
My goal is that nothing is over $5. The Dollar Tree Plus section has all of these new bins. I've been showing you guys so many of them, but one of my personal favorites is this. These bins are great for creating a charging station in your home. You can do this so affordably and using one other Dollar Tree product. Check it out.
These silicone cable organizers were a brand new find. I love that they're color coded to organize all of your cords. And while you're at it, in the same section, don't forget to pick up one of these poppets. Stick them on the back of your remotes that are always getting lost in your couch. You're welcome. Keeping tech organized is sometimes really hard, but these are great for sticking right inside of your containers along with your screens, iPads, your gizmo watches, what you got at your house. I love how the cords stick through the side of this so they're inconspicuous, but it holds everything. They also make great storage for the top of your fridge. And while you're at it, don't forget to pick up these Wi-Fi password magnets. These $1.25 finds are worth it.
These are the new Dollar Tree Spring Fling colors. I hope they come out with some brighter pastels this year, but there are a few hidden gems, one of which are these woven containers. These work famously in cabinets and in kitchens. I also love these really giant containers. Remember, go oblong and square whenever you can. Ooh. I feel like this is like a sign from the universe. I need to buy this. I love Butterfingers. What's your favorite candy? Leave it below. And they also have these, and if you didn't know, you can put labels on these doing the iron-on kind. It works really well. You may not have known because it's really down low, but they also have these trays. They're perfect for your shoes. Buy a couple of these, and they're nice and inconspicuous, especially on a dark floor.
Feet and hands, friends. You may have seen the viral hack by the craft grooms, which is why you want to buy Dollar Tree washcloths. And here's how to do it even cheaper. Don't buy them individually. Get the 20 pack from the Dollar Tree. It beats Walmart's price even. Everybody deserves their own little towel. You can label these so people know what to do with them and put a little basket in your bathroom.
They also started carrying shower curtain liners. This is another incredible deal. But when it comes to your bathroom, come here, follow me. You don't want to miss this trick. They have it right here. A viewer told me about this, and you know what? I trust this community. They have Rain-X water repellent. They also have Rain-X glass cleaner. Did you know you can use these on your shower doors? That way you have to clean them less. And they're only $3. I am all about the less work.
So if you're feeling a little lazy, you don't want to squeegee your shower every time, spray this on your glass doors and buff in with a microfiber rag. The water will bead off, and that just means less work for you.
I found this finally. They have these LED puck lights for just $3, and these can be submerged in water. How cool is this?
There's really two reasons I love these. First of all, the waterproof feature, and second of all, this is on a remote control with a bunch of different colors to set the mood. I got these candy scoops from the Dollar Tree too. For my Epsom salts, this container is from there as well. You can have a spa-like bathroom on a serious budget.
This is like, okay, forget the Valentine stuff. This is what I came for, because this is all year round. Look at these really cool little hoop wreaths. This is already made for you. We're gonna make this so gorgeous. And this is only $1.25. This is so pretty for tier trays. Friends, this is where you wanna come to style all of those things. It was meant to be.
This entire wreath was made for $3.25. They also have option 1 and option 2 of pre-made wreaths. Who says you need to do a lot of work? And friend, I'm going to show you how to make a Chanel-like product from the Dollar Tree, so don't go anywhere.
Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. You deserve to feed your creativity this year. Skillshare is the largest online community with thousands of classes, all taught by experts. You can learn and work at your own pace to learn a new skill. At the dollar store, they have sketchbooks. They have incredible watercolors. We absolutely love these. And I really love a class by
Mari Andrew. Think vision boarding, but on a scale that's achievable for anybody. Daily prompts, step-by-step guides, creative journaling ideas to help you unlock the life that you love. I've been really enjoying this watercolor element to discover what creativity means to you, unlocking your future joys and goals, and the kids have even gotten involved.
And what is even more, of course you want to try it free, and you get to do that for 7 days, and then you get 20% off your first year. It is so affordable, so easy, and I absolutely love it. Be sure to click my link in the description box below so you can start your free trial. And I'm going to get this sketchbook because it's really nice.
And now you're about to see why I'm so excited. Look at these Chanel flower boxes. These retail for $100. And this year, the Dollar Tree has ones in the Valentine's Day section. They're marketed as Valentine's and labeled as a rose box, but look what you can do. This is so easy. I just printed this out using my Cricut with the Chanel Paris logo. You could also just print this out on plain paper and stick it inside. This gives you that high-end look, and I spent under $7. If you're enjoying, would you leave me a thumbs up? It lets me know that you like this type of content and that you want to come back.
I really like these. These are brand new this year and just $3. They also have these really pretty wooden signs, but my personal favorite are to-go coffee mugs, creating a little Valentine's Day station you can do fast and do on a budget.
And I'm about to spit some facts, so don't go anywhere. The #1 seller at Dollar Tree are these little mini gumball machines. They are so cute. Label them, give them away. How fun.
At the front of the store down here, they have these little containers. They're so cute. Charlie doesn't like the top of them, but I think they're fun. What would you put in this? Candy hearts, conversation hearts.
And guess what? I tested the food so you don't have to. Well, actually, I do want you to. That's why I tested it. The heart marshmallows, the Brock's conversation hearts. You can find all these at Dollar Tree. And look at this. These mini heart scoops. These are usable all year long and adorable. Brand new find. They also have silicone molds. But here's what I decided to do in my kitchen. Let me know in the comments, do you decorate a lot for Valentine's Day? I really don't. I like simple things that are really usable for my family. We have a giant jar of beautiful marshmallows, some candy hearts, and I think this looks adorable on top of my stove. And Gnome Buddy I've talked to knows that the gnomes are back, and they're so cute. They're in fact cuter than ever. There's 3 different versions of these, and they're absolutely adorable on a tiered tray. Do I need another gnome? No. And do I regret it? Gnome way.
They brought back the socks. They had these during Christmas time, and you know how much I love them. These are just $5, and they have the grippies on the bottom. I also love the Dollar Tree leggings. I talked about these a lot. $5 and totally worth it.
I am really glad that you guys are here today. I just wanted you to know that. Also, I was very in awe at this store at the cleaning aisle. It was one of those things where it was so utterly gorgeous. I couldn't hardly contain myself. However, some of the things actually smell kind of gross. Like, I've had people recommend me stuff I don't like, but this one that I showed you and teased at the beginning of the video, it's the tropical scented fragrance booster for your washing machine. This stuff actually smells good. I decided to put it in this little candy jar right in my laundry room. You look Pinterest on a dime.
If nobody has told you today, you are enough.